brain can't think about anything else other than the fact we're about to get run over every second of the day.
I've got the crab, masala crab with some Kerala paratha.
I'm about to try the Kurma. Is your pasta nice? Is it nice? Oh, lovely! Here's the coconut rice, thank you very much. I'm Elise, this is Lawrence, and this is our baby Nyh.
We're travelling the world.
But we're going to be doing things a bit differently. We're going to be travelling a month.
And coming back to the UK and working a month.
We're going to be travelling month on, month off.
Until this little one goes to school in a couple of years.
We want to see if it's actually possible to travel the world
With a toddler in tow.
So subscribe and come along for the journey. Good morning. We're going to travel down to Varkala today. First, we're going to grab some breakfast at the Indian coffee house. Apparently, this is supposed to be really, really good. And we've just come up this road. I think it's called Makali Road. Really cool, like market stalls and all that, all the way up. Shops, modern little like mini malls. So, we're going to have some breakfast and we're going to explore this area, and then we're going to head down to what's it called? Varkala. Varkala. I always struggle with that word.
Nana's is upset because he wants a coffee. He doesn't even know what coffee is. He's never had coffee.
Want some coffee?
What he's about to drink is just milk.
You want to try some? It's a bit hot. Look, Phil, hold on.
Bombay toast.
Some eggs. I'm just waiting for the coffee to cool down. Look at this one as well. I like to see this. Pancake. What's this? Coconut? Oh, what is that? Is that eggs or mould? I'm not sure. It's the first time I'm going to be trying a dosa, or a dosa, in life, in general. But this is a masala dosa, so it's got some masala inside. So it's like, feels like a pancakey texture. Ooh. Here we go. Wow. Tomato pancake with a hint of chilli. Marvellous. Thumbs up from me. Cheers. You doing good? You good?
Good.
Ah, okay. What's this?
Happy Honam, happy Honam.
Happy Honam. What's this? Lottery?
Yeah, lottery. Coupon.
Let's see.
Happy journey.
Thank you very much, brother. So we're just going to walk down and see what we can get. We've been in Canada now 2 days, and Elise hasn't had a coconut. So we're going to try and find her a coconut.
Yes, please.
Got bananas, we've got apples. Oh, no, what's that? Papaya? Shirts?
2 piece. 200. Shirt.
Short shirt.
Hey, 2 piece, bada. Hey, double XL.
I really want a sari, but my brain can't think about anything else other than the fact we're about to get run over every second of the day.
Follow me. It's what we live for. This is India. Namaskaram. This is chaos actually. This is actually quite mental, isn't it? Look at all the garlic, the ginger. Look at this.
Delicious.
Namaskaram. Ginger.
So, we're going to go back to the hotel, we're going to get packed, and we're going to go to the Varkala. See you in a minute. This is the story of us trying to get back home with where we are. No one knows where it is, even though it's on the main road. So Lawrence goes, explain it, and go, do you know where? And they go, yeah. And you go, but do you know where? And they go, no.
We are in Varkala. We just got here. It was like a 3.5 hour drive. It was a long drive. And we got little baby Carlos.
So as per usual, I felt extremely travel sick. So I had to just come and have a little lie down for a minute. And then we've come back out. We're going to go get some food. I look like a proper traveller in this. I feel like I look really cultured. Oi. That beach actually looks really nice.
Yeah.
Can I just He's been clutching this ever since we got into the hotel room.
I've got the crab. So, masala crab with some Kerala paratha.
I've got the chili gobi, ovs, and I'm about to try the kurma. It's coming in a minute. So a kurma is like a mild curry, which apparently is not like a kurma, but we're gonna give it a go. Is your pasta nice? Is it nice?
We'll try some. Oh, some
Cheese! I've got some coconut rice coming. Let's give this a... That's really nice. Nice flavour. Unsure of the texture. Nice flavour. Oh, lovely. Here's the coconut rice. Thank you very much. Oh, yes. Coconut is my favourite thing in the whole world. I'm very excited. So this kurma tastes like, it's like a sweet, creamy curry. Let's try this rice. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Rice is good. Chili gobi. Oh. Chili gobi is my favourite bit. So nice.
So soft. Oh, unreal.
This curry with the rice has just got so much better. It's got pineapple in it, loads of like fruit and nuts.